Stop for a moment and take a look at this channel. It has over 14 million subscribers, and its popular videos have reached over 100 million views. Most videos on this channel surpassed the 10 million views mark. And it's not just this channel. Look at all the other channels, all of them have millions of video views. There are indeed many YouTube channels in this field, all simply uploading gentle lo-fi music with simple backgrounds. However, sadly, I have to tell you that making money through advertising based on views on YouTube, like these channels, is not an easy task. Let me explain why. Firstly, to meet the monetization requirements, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Secondly, when you join the YouTube Partner Program, the review process for your channel to be eligible for monetization is not easy, as YouTube will scrutinize and may reject it, claiming that you have reused content. Many YouTubers out there tell you that these YouTube channels make a lot of money, but they don't mention that to earn money like these YouTube channels, your channel has to join multi-channel networks. However, joining multi-channel networks is not an easy task. This seems complicated, doesn't it? After you know the information I'm sharing, you should consider whether or not to do it to avoid spending your time and effort only to end up not earning anything. Alright, if you really want to make money from YouTube channels like these lo-fi ones, don't worry, I will share how you can earn money from a lo-fi music YouTube channel like this. Because the goal of my channel is to share how to make money using AI tools, so don't miss any part of the video.
Nice.
Let's explore together how to create lo-fi melodies through artificial intelligence. Now, let's fight together.
Chuẩn bị. Tấn công qua bên kia.
First and foremost, let's create some distinctive lo-fi beats. To do this, I'll take you into the world of an AI tool called Boomy. This is not just a tool for music creators, but also a choice for many artists and content creators. Start by signing up with your email address or Google account. Next, go to your Boomy interface. To create your own lo-fi music, click on Create and select Song. Choose the lo-fi genre and select the melody Morning Sun or Rainy Nights. Then click Create Song. There you go. You have a piece of music. If satisfied, select Save. If not, click Try Again to create a new piece. To download the music to your device, choose Library, then click the three dots icon and download. But to download, you need to upgrade to the paid version. If you don't want to pay, don't worry. I'll introduce another AI music creation tool, which is Mubert. To start, click on Generate a Track. Next, enter information about your music in the prompt box. You can input text to create music or choose a genre, mode, and activity. Start with the genre and select Moods. In the Moods section, choose Dreamy. After selecting the genre, mode, and musical activity, you need to choose the length of the music. The default length is 45 seconds. You can change it to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. After setting up, click Generate a Track. Mubert will take some time to create music. Fast forward, and here is the result. The music is great. To download, click the download icon. You need to create an account to download music. Log in with Google, Facebook, or email. Your music will appear in the download folder. Create a music track with text prompts. Click Generate a Track and enter your prompts. Choose lo-fi and set the length to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Click Generate a Track, and here is the result. wonderful LoFi music track. So download, click the download icon, then go to My Downloads. You can see the music ready to be downloaded. Click the download icon. Now, you need to enter your channel URL to address the copyright issue. Enter the channel URL where you will upload the music. If you don't have a YouTube channel and feel unfamiliar with the process of creating a professional channel, follow the steps below. Start by accessing YouTube and sign up with your Google or Gmail account. Next, enter the channel name and YouTube address. If you already have an idea for the name, great. If not, ask for ChatGPT's help to suggest a name. Try GPT, give me 10 ideas for a LoFi music YouTube channel. Based on that, choose a name you like. Before adding the name, create a logo and banner for the channel. Use Canva to do this. After logging into your Canva account, click on Create a Design and choose YouTube channel logo. You can choose a logo template from the library or create your own. Choose Create Your Own and enter guiding text. Fill in music wave icon. Canva AI will generate 4 images, which can be recreated if you want. Choose an image and add a text template with the channel name. Customize the font and color, then download in JPG format. The logo is ready. Now, create a channel banner. Go back to the Canva homepage, click on Create a Design, and find YouTube banner. Choose a template and customize it. Add the channel name, adjust the color and font if needed. When done, download the image. We have chosen a name for the channel and created a logo and banner for it. The next step is to refine the new YouTube channel we just created. First, enter the channel name and create a unique short name for the YouTube dashboard. When completed, click Create Channel. This is our new channel. Next, go to Customize Channel. Go to the Basic Info tab and add a description for the channel. To help me write the description, I'll use ChatGPT. Once the description is created, simply copy and paste it into the YouTube page. Next, go to the Branding tab, where we can add or update the logo and banner. Expand the image options, click Upload, and add the logo image. Then similarly, add the banner image in the banner section. When finished, click Publish to announce our new channel. Once the channel is published, copy the channel link and paste it into Mubert. Next, click Continue. Go to Agree and download. Your music will automatically download. The first music track is ready. To download the second music track, click the download icon of track 2 and choose Agree and download. Our channel and music are ready, but to upload, we need to create a video. First, create an image using an image creator like Leonardo AI. Choose the Dream Shaper V7 template, change the aspect ratio, and add prompts. After creating the image, download it. The images are ready. Now it's time to create the video. Use CapCut to upload the images and audio, then proceed to edit. Once finished, click on Export. Your music video is ready to be uploaded to the channel. Don't forget to set the title, description, and text. Alright, everyone, now let's talk about some important things. Mubert AI provides you with a free trial, but it's limited to creating 25 tracks per month and requires credits. You won't have commercial licenses for the music. However, in the professional version, you will get a commercial license and can create up to 500 tracks per month. That's really significant value. Okay, now it's time for me to share the secret so you can make money from LoFi music videos like this. The first way is to join Mubert's affiliate program. Just click Become a Partner and fill out the form with your name and email address. Then, you'll receive a link. You need to share this link in the description of your YouTube video. If someone joins Mubert through your link, you'll earn a commission. As you can see, Mubert pays 30% for each successful referral. The second way is to collaborate with companies or labels related to LoFi music for sponsorship or partner advertising opportunities. You can integrate their ads in the video or video description. Another way is to sell related products and merchandise. Create and sell products like t-shirts, mags, or other branded items. Use online printing services to produce and ship. Remember, to be successful in making money from YouTube, you need diligence, creativity, and an understanding of your community. Take advantage of every opportunity to create multiple income streams and build a large community around your channel. Okay, everyone, that's the end of our video. Before we say goodbye, I want to hear about your experience using AI to create a LoFi channel. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, wishing you happy and creative endeavors.